Keri Rabble's family owns Lot Furniture in downtown Laurel, the oldest business in the city of Laurel. The building itself is a little iconic. It's the thing you see when you come into town on the train.
Lot Furniture's been in my family for many, many years. My grandmother worked here 58 years, and my parents have been here about 40.
We have some items on the floor that you can come look at.
So I'm a third-generation manager of the store. There is some extra space in the Lot Furniture building, and I've landed on opening a boutique inn upstairs.
It's a space on the upper left side of the building.
There used to be a boarding house, and we are going to restore that. Downstairs, I want to do a bar and restaurant. So altogether, it's going to be the Buzzard's Roost Bar and Inn. So as I'm trying to open 2 new businesses and still manage Lot Furniture, I need a little help from Ben and Erin. I'm planning to spend $300,000 on the portion of the building that's going to be the boutique inn.
And it has just enough space for 2 suites and 2 regular rooms. We're not gonna be part of the bar and restaurant downstairs. Keri will be doing that down the road. But we are gonna help her realize the inn dream.
This space has been untouched for about 50 years. We've just been using it for storage.
Here we are.
Here we are.
I'm fascinated by upstairs. We've never done anything to it. I mean, most people have not been upstairs at Lot. Like, no one comes up here. It's just like a whole other world. You have stepped back into 1910 when you're in this room. We'd have to add a wall here to give you this one big suite here at the end of the hall, at the back of the building, and then change the interior walls so you have a better room to bathroom ratio for the 2 studio rooms. And then you've got this really generous wide hallway. So This hallway becomes like a shared kitchenette for all guests to use. And then you could have a little sitting area beyond that, and at the very end, the original staircase entrance, which is maybe the way people entered to go to the boarding house.
It's very possible.
It would be advantageous to keep sort of a wall that's open on 2 sides so you can get around to this sitting room, but you still have separation. This suite would be full of sunlight once we take those shutters off the windows. And this room too, really leaning into the moodiness of the wood. And the fireplace is not operational, but I don't think that means we lose it. You just find a way to make it kind of a centerpiece in the room.
Right.
And over here, the big bathroom. Every bathroom would just have a walk-in shower. I think that would be the most economical choice.
Right.
So this would be like, you know, the grand suite.
It would.
I think. Let's talk money.
Okay.
Yeah.
You told us that you wanted to spend about $300,000 on the whole project. So to do all of these rooms
Okay.
would be $230,000. All right, so the exterior, we're at 20. The HVAC, sprinkler system, structural, that all comes in around 50 grand.
Okay.
So that would be right at $300,000.
It's a lot, but it's a lot of work.
So structurally, the span is too great for the current 2-bys that are up there. We're gonna run that LVL beam right down the center to support the joists that are running this way. The idea here is that we have to get spot footings in for the columns.
Okay. Now, are we gonna have to dig up the floors?
We're gonna have to jackhammer the floor a little bit.
We have to do it in order to do the inn upstairs.
We really don't have a choice.
We need to add support down the center.
We have to support the center of the building. Then we got columns, and we land on the back. So once the posts are in and the beam is secure, we get the green light on upstairs. We actually haven't started upstairs because we've been working downstairs. And now we actually have stairs so we can go upstairs. The stairway is where it used to be originally.
Hey.
We got a staircase.
How does it look from the hallway in the inn?
It's still pretty dark and scary.
Okay,
Let's demo.
we're doing it.
Look at that.
Lot Furniture, right this way. It's not a lot of demo, but we do have to take out some things.
We're not taking down any walls. We're taking down parts of walls. but-
Mostly we just gotta take down these huge shelves. Today, the guys are all gonna work on taking out the brick so we can open up windows in each room of the inn. Hey!
Hey,
This looks like it's a little more involved than we were expecting.
Obviously, the windows were bricked up after the building was built later on. So the mortar's in way better condition, and it's 3 layers. When they bricked up these windows, whoever did the work patted it at the end and said, that ain't going anywhere. We've been taking turns working on this for the last few hours. This is all we've gotten done. Also, we gotta be careful because there's a rooftop next to us. We can't just like bust through. We have to
We have to be careful.
We have to be careful with it. The doors are in.
So the facade of this building is about to start to really change. We're about to have 2 separate entrances for the inn and the bar.
Woo!
They're so pretty.
We got doors. This is the inn.
And that's a window. It looks so good. And a wall, sort of.
Y'all about ready to put the door in?
We're ready.
You wanna see it go in?
Yeah. This door will be the entrance to the future bar that Keri's working on. Looks pretty level to me.
You're looking at it from an angle, baby.
Looks good. I can tell.
You can tell from there. Gotcha.
And then the other door is the door to the inn. So now we just need some millwork. We need to paint this building, and then we'll really have something.
We're doing a lot of finishing touches right now at the inn.
It's exciting.
The floors are being finished. We're bringing in the vanities. Then we're gonna be ready to install the plumbing fixtures in the bathrooms. We'll pretty much have ourselves an inn.
It's a little hard to believe that we're really here. Tomorrow, Keri's gonna get to see what her grandmother's business has become. Her legacy is what led to this inn. So we've gotta have a moment for Miss Nellie. She's just the biggest inspiration in the world to Keri. All right, Miss Nellie, this we do in remembrance of you. Every single room has its own personality. So I hope that people get curious. They'll visit one room, and then they'll come back again and try a different room.
Dang, that's a neat piece of furniture.
Looks good, doesn't it?
What is that?
That's the charger. Scout Designs logo. She helped me make all these.
Okay.
Check this out. Phone chargers built in.
Dang.
All of them in every room have chargers
Dang,
built
and the
in.
bird lets you know where to put the phone.
I hope Keri's happy with what we did. She doesn't know what she's walking into tomorrow. I just hope she's so happy and surprised in the best way.
It looks so amazing. This is so cool.
You like it?
Yes, I really, really do. The doors look so good.
2 separate entrances, so when
Right.
you're ready to open the restaurant, you'll have double doors for that.
Yeah.
But we have this more intimate single door that goes up to the inn.
I can't believe how different it is.
I know! It feels like we've been transported somewhere far away.
Yes. Back in time almost.
Yes!
Back in time.
I really love the signs. Like, they look historical. It's not the lot building anymore, I guess. It's the Buzzards Roost.
Yeah. You want to go check in?
Yeah,
on.
I really do. What? This looks totally different. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, it's so big up here.
Yes! Because those racks are gone, it
Right.
feels like you got twice as much hall space.
Absolutely. Gosh, oh my gosh, I don't even know what to look at. Wow.
And then there she is. There's Miss Nellie. I've enjoyed getting to know Miss Nellie a little more in this project.
She would just be like over the moon. This would be, honestly, I feel like I'm kind of doing what she would do if she was here. Thank you.
And I want to talk about the rooms because we didn't discuss any kind of design theme.
Right?
Instead of room numbers, they're labeled. That's the Laurel room, the New Orleans room, the Birmingham room, New York.
Oh, it's Crescent Line.
Yes!
Yeah.
That's so smart. That makes so much sense. This is perfect.
We'll start in Laurel. All aboard.
Okay. The Crescent Line theme for the inn is perfect. We're really bringing the original boarding house back, and I think that all of it fits so well.
Come on in.
Oh, this looks so cool.
Could you believe that it would
No.
ever be this?
This is crazy. I can't believe how much light there is in here. The fireplaces, we've still got them.
It's
Yeah.
ornamental. You're not gonna be burning any fires here, but it does give the room this like visual weight.
Absolutely. This is awesome. The green, I mean, it's perfect for Laurel.
Go explore.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Oh, wow. This is way bigger than I ever thought.
Yes.
Everything is so big, which
Yeah.
is so crazy to me. There's the brick
Yes.
and this, like all of the wood that you guys were able to preserve. I can't believe that.
That's what the building gave us.
Oh my gosh, these used to be at my parents' house when I was growing up in our living room.
We assumed they must have just been like dead stock from the
Yeah.
furniture store because they were in the warehouse.
That's crazy. I didn't know where they were. I haven't seen them in
Here they are.
years. And look at the windows. They look so big. Wow, I've got to see what it looks like.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you gotta open it.
I've got to see. Oh my gosh. I see the train tracks.
Yep.
That's so cool. This is the perfect view.
You wanna go see the bathroom?
Yes, I really do. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty in here. I love the tiles.
Yeah.
They match everything. It's so seamless.
Yep, a little more green.
It's awesome.
You're gonna love the other bathrooms though.
Yeah.
Oh, it's crazy.
You got 3 more cities to see.
Oh my
Yeah.
gosh.
Come on.
Let's go.
Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh.
We went bold.
It is very bold. I love that about it. I love everything in here. Like, it's got so much character and it really feels like New Orleans, like what it actually is.
But my favorite New Orleans moment is in the bathroom.
Oh, wow, I see why.
Yeah.
The pink.
French Quarter pink, right?
I love it. All of this goes together so well. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm in the French Quarter. This is so cool.
Okay, you ready to go to Birmingham?
Oh, wow.
Different flavor in here.
Yeah.
Definitely different. It's
Little
super
metallic.
industrial looking. I love it.
Yeah.
I mean, I know I'm saying I love all of it, but I really do. It's
Well,
so
that's what we
cool.
want. We wanted it to be industrial, but elegant.
And it definitely has that.
And we used metal
Yeah.
anywhere we could, including the feet on the nightstand. These are sewing machine pulleys that we found over here.
Okay, these are definitely my favorite thing in this room. I love the side tables that Ben built. Just utilizing all of the different elements that were already in the building to make something new is so special. So far, it really is transporting you to a different place every single time.
This bathroom shower is one of my favorites too. Yeah, you gotta see it.
Oh yeah, that is super industrial, but it looks really nice.
Sophisticated.
Yes, it looks luxurious in a way, like the hexagon tile.
David said that the tile looks like cast iron.
It looks really great with everything in here too.
Time to go to my favorite room.
My favorite room too.
I think instead of taking the Crescent Line, we should maybe take the subway.
Yeah.
Maybe so.
Yeah, we'll get
Go
on
to
the 6.
1920s.
Okay.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Oh, wow. This is by far my favorite. I can already tell. It's so New York. I feel like I'm in New York.
It's because of the lights.
I recognize the lights. They look incredible.
Those are like the tastemaker of the whole suite. We
I
wanted to
love
have
it.
like a little bit of the glamour of Art Deco New York,
Right.
the Chrysler Building, but then also keeping the Laurelness about it. But then in the bathroom we did classic subway tile. I mean, if you're ever gonna use subway tile, New York is the place,
That is
right?
the place to use it. Wow.
I mean, the color in this bathroom.
Like, I know I've used this word, but luxurious. Like,
Yeah.
there's no other way to describe
Rich.
it. Yes. I want to come stay here.
Let's sit down.
Yeah,
Talk about this.
I love that she understood why we went with the Crescent Line as,
And that she loves it.
yeah, as our like direction for the whole thing. And to me, seeing it all finished here today, I couldn't be happier that that's what we landed on.